Decoding the phrase, in a feud. Hello dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into a commonly used English phrase, in a feud. If you've heard this phrase before and wondered what it means or how to use it, you're in the right place. In a feud refers to a situation where there is a prolonged argument or disagreement between two parties. This could be between individuals, groups, or even nations. A feud typically involves bitterness or hostility, and it can last for a long time, sometimes even generations. The key word here is prolonged, meaning it isn't just a brief argument. For example, two neighboring families might be in a feud because of a disagreement that happened decades ago, and they still hold grudges against each other. The word feud can be traced back to the Middle Ages. It originally referred to a situation where there were violent and deadly conflicts between clans or families, often over land or power. Although the phrase has evolved over time and doesn't always imply violence now, the element of long-standing disagreement remains central to its meaning. Let's look at some examples to understand how to use this phrase. 1. The two celebrities have been in a feud for years, often making headlines with their public disagreements. 2. The neighboring tribes are in a feud over the boundary of their territories. 3. She told me she's in a feud with her colleague, so they don't talk to each other at work anymore. From these examples, it's clear that the phrase can be used in various contexts, from casual chats to more formal discussions. To enrich your vocabulary, here are some synonyms for being in a feud. At odds, in conflict, at loggerheads, in disagreement. These synonyms can help you express similar ideas in different ways, making your conversations and writings more varied. So there you have it. Now, when you hear or come across the phrase, in a feud, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it in a sentence. We hope this explainer was helpful and has added another interesting phrase to your English vocabulary toolkit. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.